Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today it's not a vloggy vlog, neither is it cooking with me. Today is an entire new video, and this is the first type of video I have posted up on YouTube. This is my very first. Okay, so yeah, I think I'll be bringing more videos like this solutions video, something that will help people out there, not everyday vlog. I want you guys also to get some information from me or to study something from me, not everyday vlog. Okay, so today I am going to show you guys how to fix your WhatsApp status sending error. So we all know that sometimes when you want to post on your WhatsApp status, you get an error. Today, for instance, a business owner, I was trying to upload some of my videos on my WhatsApp status so that people can watch and reach out to me, but I was having this sending error. You know, sometimes when you are sending a video or you're posting a video on your status, it will say 0 views but will still be sending. Okay, I know, if I don't, I think I might put a picture up here, but that is what happened to me, and today I had a solution to it, so I decided to share it with you, my lovely subscribers. Okay, so yeah, before I go into sharing this with you, I would like to thank my returning subscribers for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys. I love you. And those coming in for the very first time, I would like to say Aquaba, and please don't go. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, the red button is free, guys. It's free. Just subscribe to my channel. I want to get to 1,000 this year, 2022, so please let it be possible for me. Okay, so yeah, and please, if you hear anything at the background, is a fan. Ghana is very hot at the moment, so please forgive me if you hear any noise at the background. It's like I'm talking too much. So let's get right into the video. So this is an example of the video I wanted to upload and was not possible. So first of all, I went to my gallery, selected the video and posted it on my status. Yeah, so right now it's uploading, and it has uploaded, but you can still see 0 views and sending at the bottom. This is when I come in to show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, I'm going to delete this one and then show you the steps you need to take in uploading the video to make it possible. So since I'm using an Android phone, the first step I'll do is to go to Google Play Store and search for VideoSoft Lab video converter. Click on the app and then install the app, but since I have already installed mine, let's open it, shall we? So when you open the app, this is the interface you're going to see. You then click on the video converter opposite the video to audio. Okay, you then wait for some seconds. Your gallery will pop up in there. You then select the video you want to convert. The next step is to follow the instructions of the arrow to lead you to convert your video. The first step is to select the device you are using, whether you are using Android, Apple, Windows. So I'm using Android, so I selected Android. Click the arrow to send you to the next interface. Step 2 is the format settings, but this one is optional, so I didn't change anything here. You then follow the arrow once again to go to the next interface. So from here, this is where the real conversion begins. So click on the tick sign and go to the next interface to start converting your video. So as you can see, your video has been successfully converted, and so yeah, you go to the 3 dots, click on it and go to share, and then you post it on your WhatsApp status, and this time around is going to work. Okay, yeah, so here I am on my WhatsApp page trying to upload the video once again, and yeah, let's see what happens. Yeah, so I have to go back and go on the WhatsApp status And then let's see, voila, it just says 0 views just now. Okay, so right now we are done and it really worked successfully. So yeah guys, if you like videos like this, let me know in the comment section and I'll do more of it. Okay, so I quickly came here to tell you that you cannot find the same app on iPhone, but you can go to the App Store and there are various or several video converters. You can go there and scroll through or install the one you think you can use easily. Yeah, so I'd like to end the video here and I'll see you in my next one. Let me know if you like videos like this in the comment section so that I can bring more, because I want to teach you guys also how to do digital vision boards and among others. Okay, so yeah, see you in my next video. Bye.